In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on reviews for your Facebook page. If you want to build trust and make it easier for potential customers to choose you, enabling reviews on your Facebook page is a simple and effective step. Reviews and recommendations give visitors real-world insight into what it's like to interact with your business, and they can also help your page show up more credibly in search. Let's walk through the process together, clearly and at a comfortable pace. First, head to your Facebook page. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages the page and that you have the right permissions, such as admin or editor. If you manage multiple pages, double-check that you're on the correct one before moving on. On your page's main screen, look for the About section located just below your profile picture. Go ahead and click it. Depending on Facebook's layout updates, the placement might look slightly different, but it's typically right under your profile image or available in the main menu on your page. Once you're in the About section, scroll down until you see Basic Info. This is where Facebook keeps key details about your page, and it's also where you can control certain visibility options. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right area before proceeding. Next, click Turn on Reviews. This action brings up the control you need to make reviews visible on your page. You're not publishing anything by clicking this. Think of it as opening the switch that allows visitors to share their feedback. Now toggle. Allow reviews on your page. When you switch this on, you're enabling the feature so people can rate and recommend your business. If you ever need to pause reviews in the future, you can return here and toggle it off again. It's a flexible setting designed to give you control. With that done, your page will display a Reviews or Recommendations tab. Visitors will be able to leave feedback, share their experiences, and see what others have said. This is a great moment to plan how you'll engage. Consider responding to reviews in a timely, professional manner, thanking people for positive comments, and addressing concerns thoughtfully. While you can't edit what someone writes, you can report content that clearly violates Facebook's guidelines. That's it, quick and straightforward. You've enabled reviews, opened the door to valuable social proof, and set your page up for stronger credibility. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, feel free to follow along for more clear, practical walkthroughs.